So this is the sad part now. It's a bugger if we do, but we have no choice. No, it's not the right one. Just to get myself some of these. Temperature's about 9 Celsius. So this is the sad part now. Have to leave Portugal at Jardim de Moro metro station, waiting for the metro. It'll be coming from that way and going that way to the airport. Here we go. This should do nicely here. Standing room only. It's only a couple of stops. Here we go. And now we have to find what colour line was it? Purple? Purple. Okay. No, it's not that way. It must be the other way. That says hospital. Is it? I'll just double check the map to be sure. Because Alonso can send you on a wild goose chase at times. Here we go. So we are there. And we're at the purple line, so yeah. And to validate the ticket as we go. And Aeroporto up the escalators. And we validate again. I could be doing it too many times, but we shall see which one is the Aeroporto. It's here. So the time is 12:35 or 12:36 p.m. And I don't know whether that 28 means we'll have to wait 28 minutes or so. It's a bugger if we do, but we have no choice, and we have plenty of time for the flight back. Such a good thing one of the station staff came over to tell us that the platform had been changed because the sign is wrong. So we're no longer on platform 3, we're on platform 1. Just over there, and he said it's about 9 minutes time it's going to arrive. So back down the escalator we go to the platforms on the other side. Bit confusing, but it is a sooner train we will be on. Tiring. That's the beauty of travel, that is. Things are subject to change when you least expect it. And here we go, back up the other side. And finally, we're on the correct platform. Right. Is this the one, I wonder? Pardon, Aeroporto?
No.
No, okay. No, it's not the right one. It'll be the next one along. Pardon? There. So just wait here and say goodbye to that train. Here we go. will be the final metro. Pardon, aeroporto? Obrigado. Right, we're on the right one. So I'll just grab a seat here. This will do. Here we go, our final stop at the airport metro line. As I struggle with my bags. Right, we made it safely. So the flight is in just under 3 hours time. Gonna head to the airport building to departures. I'll work it from there. Now to find the way to the airport. I'll look for the signs. And I think it's straight ahead there. Departures are on level 3. I could have gotten a lift. Forgot about that. So on we plod, we're almost there. That's the view looking outside. And the metro station just over there under that arched canopy. I think that's the arrivals just down there. So it will be my first time in departures here at Porto, because 4 days ago, as you witnessed, I entered via arrivals. It's the only way to enter, of course. On the final furlong of the escalator. There we go. And we are here. Right. I'll just find the notice board to see our flight details. And Alonso scooted ahead. And let's see. 50 Dublin, 1610, area 15. So fair dues to Porto security. Through next to no time. They didn't have to take all my stuff out and ransack it and search it like they do in Dublin and a couple of other airports I could mention. So that was a huge relief. I was there for barely 10 minutes now, but most of the time was me packing it away. So here it is, duty free. Gonna have a look around and I'm gonna see if I can find a water fountain so I can top up my water bottle. So that was a quick jaunt through duty free, and there are other shops around. Just seems to be a long corridor type airport. So there's duty free there. If you're looking for water, you just come out and go up these steps, which are right there at the top. So I have been directed this way, and I hope it is the right way. And they said turn left over here. And that leads us back to security from the looks of things. So it's straight after security. Don't know how I missed it. And it's right there. wrong one. Move it to there. And let's try it. Could be colder. I must have hit the wrong one, but it'll have to do. So I had to go back to the duty free before the flight because it's boarding in a few minutes, just to get myself some of these. So they are $10.50 for a packet of 6 pastiche de nata, the Portuguese custard tarts. So I've got to eat them in the next couple of days because of the sell-by date anyway, so I'm going to enjoy them, the proper stuff. Here we go. They have a Ryanair bus for us. I don't think I've encountered one of these before. Here we go off the bus and the first sighting of my flight. It's a glorious sunny day as well, and the temperature, let me just check, it is 19 Celsius, but it seems warmer, probably because we're on tarmac.
As I welcome you to Dublin, and the schedule with local time is 6:25.
Muito obrigado. Boa noite. And we're back in Dublin. The temperature's about 9 Celsius. Oh, even more of a contrast from Porto. Oh, that was very tiring, that trip. Am I glad to be back? Yes and no. Right, got to get through passport control and baggage reclaim, and then drive back to Kilkenny. We're coming through the arrivals lounge, and once again, hundreds of people come to greet me as usual, and they're all late again. Right, gotta find where the bus is and head to the car park. And the buses are ready and waiting. Here we go, our final stop, and V17 is in sight. And there was a glorious sunset too as we were coming into land. I just realized that the sun is setting sooner and sooner as we approach winter. So this is at V17. we turn right there. My car should be halfway up, and I got to grab my keys for it, wherever I put them. So as usual, in the car, I'm gonna head down to Kilkenny. Should take about 90 minutes to 1 hour. Oh, the light's gone off. Okay, take 2. Right, here's the wrap up now. Back in the car, it's gonna take about 90 minutes to 1 3/4 hours to drive to Kilkenny. So, what a trip it's been. I think this one seems to be a bit more tiring than the one back in May. Porto, oh, I've experienced nothing like it. So you would have seen everything which has happened. And also, I'll give a name check to all the businesses, restaurants, cafes, venues, etc., who have done a brilliant job serving me over the last 10 days, 11 days, something like that. So that is it for Portugal 2024. And the vlogs will resume after this one sometime in early 2025 if I can get out and about. So you shall see where I am. I don't know where it's going to be. I'm going to surprise you. I even surprise myself. So thanks, Alonso, for the company. Even though he wanders off at times with his head in the phone and almost falling into the river or onto a train track. So you all take care. You have a brilliant week. And is it Christmas already? If you've seen this before Christmas, have a great Christmas. If not, a Merry New Year to you for 2025.
Merry New Year!
And I'll catch you on the next one. Till then, bye.
Beef jerky time.
Say goodbye, Alonso.
Bye. Take care. Happy New Year.
Ciao. Okay, thank you.
What kind of hat?
Yeah, we're gonna get to that.
Okay.
There is somebody out there watching.
I know. I think I know who it is.
You think you know? You wanna guess?
Is it Rue?
It is Rue. Right.
There you go, Rue.
So I've been lucky enough to have a couple of hats. You guys, you know, you've seen some of my hats in old videos, and people have sent us hats. I'm very excited for the video that we're going to be launching in January. That's going to have one of our subscribers' hats in it because it's orange.
Right, makes sense.
That one we're going to keep a bit of a secret, but you know, there's going to be a hat. So I've got here hunting down peri peri chicken, which is kind of what Rue kind of did, but I like that as well. I'm a huge peri peri chicken fan. So Rue gave me a couple of ideas and he made a video about it. If you want to check out Rue's channel, all right, go and check it out, Rue, all right. We can say these kinds of things. I don't have to just wear the hat just for that, okay? People are watching, all right? Just keep doing your thing, man, and you're gonna get there, okay?
Exposing Jeff's secrets
exactly,
and
all
that.
These things, you know, so it's coming, all right? Don't worry, Rue, your number is coming. So we are gonna be drawing it out of a cap, out of a hat, out of Rue's hat.
You see this?
Okay, being used, all right? So please don't bother me anymore about the hats. Or you can give me another hat and I'll wear that one.
And he'll bother you because of that hat.
We got Rue saying, thank you, Jeff, for the amazing tour experience. Thank you, Rue. It was awesome. And check out Rue's channel because that's the next thing. And we're going to talk about Rue came out and did some tours with us, vlogged them as well. So check out Rue's channel and it's Rue Photography, right? Photo and travel, but it's photography and travel. I think you got it wrong. And then I got it wrong, didn't you, Rue? Yes. Much love, Rue. Stick around. Hope you enjoyed the video and let us know in the comments. You know, just in the chat, just put your full name there of your channel, and people can check out what a tour like is with Jeff, including the Secret Sunrise tour and the Tashka tour at Shut Up and Eat. Great fun.